Hi, it is Andre Jacobs, Director of WASA. We launched WASA on 20 March 2025 officially. And here are the 6 key takeaways from the launch. Firstly, there's a vital connection between workplace wellness and business success. At the core of every thriving organization is its people. An organization's success is directly linked to the well-being of the employees. There's a compelling case emphasizing that economic growth is only possible if employees are well. And when organizations apply a holistic approach to wellness, the financial results speak for itself. WASA provides a cutting-edge toolkit to assist all stakeholders to implement and monitor wellness solutions. So, join WASA today and become a leader in building healthier, happier, and more productive workplaces.